Guys, finally I received the hard copy of my certificate. This envelope I received it from the International Federation of Biological Safety Association Canada. I appeared for the IFBA Biological Risk Management exam in October 2022, and now I have got this one, the hard certificate and a gift. Now I'm going to unbox it. I'm very excited. Oh, it's so strong. Wow. Oh my God. See, this is my certificate in hard form. Awais Qasim has successfully demonstrated competence for professional certification in biorisk management. And now, this one is a letter from the IFBA on the behalf of certification body. They congratulated me. And now, let's go. This one, this is my card. Now I become IFBA Biorisk professional, Biorisk management professional. And now, let's see what comes next. Wow, that's so cute. Wonderful. This is beige from the International Federation of Biological Safety Association. Wow, so beautiful. Certified professional. My dream comes true. When I was in bachelor's, I was just dreaming one day I will have this IFBA certification, and now I have become one, and now I'm preparing for the next one, the IFBA Biosecurity exam. I'm so blessed. Thank you, Health Security Partners and Pakistan Biological Safety Association for this opportunity. I'm grateful.